Ayan bro, natapos ko na yung 54 videos. 9 hours and 27 minutes. Ma'am Samira, I played your 59 videos. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Didi, I played your videos, 50 something videos. 3 hours and 47 minutes, Ma'am Didi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 52, I think. 52 videos of you, Ma'am Didi. Thank you so much, Ma'am Didi, for your support. Ma'am Chakare, this is yours. I finished your live stream today, 1 hour. And I played the 12 hours and 10 minutes ago. So this is your videos that I played. 4 live stream of yours, Ma'am Chakare, and 50 videos. Again, this is your Gallery PSP. Done your 87 videos. Okay, I played all your videos from your playlist. Watch gallery. This is your time watch gallery PSP. It's 13 hours and 53 minutes. So yeah, it's done already, all of your videos from your playlist. Look. Thank you so much, Gallery, for your support on my JMB channel and my G Shop. Thank you so much, Gallery. Yeah. Done, Gallery. Thank you so much, Gallery. Ma'am Lisa, I played 50 videos sa iyo, Ma'am Lisa. Yan, Ma'am Lisa. Nilagay ko po sa watch later, Ma'am Lisa. Yan po. 4 hours and 51 minutes, Ma'am Lisa, ang iyong video. Yan po. Thank you so much, Ma'am Lisa, sa support lagi sa aking JMB at G Shop. Yan lang po, Ma'am Lisa. Yan po. Sir Fred, I watched 41 videos of you. And it's 2 hours and 55 minutes. Okay. Thank you so much, Sir Fred, for visiting my live stream last night. 2 hours and 55 minutes. Ma'am Safia, I played 4 hours and 7 minutes video of you. It's 62 videos. 62 videos. Thank you so much, Ma'am Safia, for your support. That's it, Ma'am Safia. Thank you so much. Again, it's 4 hours and 7 minutes.